Hi, this is Rebekkah Ravencraft with Call to Awakening, and today I will be sharing how to interpret tarot card pairs with a focus on love and career questions. So let's begin. So the first card is the Ten of Pentacles, and the second card pair with it would be the Six of Swords. So the Ten of Pentacles is a happy and very financially stable home, or even business, but it's definitely home and family. And the Six of Swords is travel, whether physical travel or spiritual journeys. So these two together, if we're talking career, I would say the person that is wanting to build this financially stable home in their life, they're going to be taking a journey. Most likely a physical journey, and this is also a card of going over water. So this could mean they're literally going to be going over water, like maybe going to another country and to build their skills to make a stronger and better home or financially stable life. With the love, I would say, as this is family, a happy family and stable family, I would say that they're on the journey. They're going to be on a journey, and it could be a spiritual journey, a spiritual growth journey, or a physical journey, like the family is going to journey, or the person may take a journey to find their stable home. So I hope you enjoyed this, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you are interested in a private reading with me, the only way to do so is to check in the description box below and click on the link there. Now, I only have a limited number of openings per week, and it's first come, first serve. So be sure to catch one of these openings. Thanks for watching, and have a blessed day.